Welcome back to my budget cooking vlog, everyone. In this video, we're going to be making leftovers, or with the wild harvested mustard that grows around here. It's actually an invasive species, so we can pick as much of it as we want. It's growing like crazy and crowding out the native plants. And this is leftovers from the last video, the roasted cauliflower and the salmon bone. I'm gonna make a pasta with these, or just stir-fry pasta with this stuff. And some parsley from my backyard. So here's some parsley I have growing in on my balcony, and they're easy to grow, and they're growing really well. So I'm gonna snip off one of these, and snip off one of these and put it in the pasta. Okay, so first I'm going to start water boiling. It's hot water because it's coming out of this kettle that I like to use because it makes cooking so much faster, and it's great for making what I want it to be. And some vegetable oil. I'm gonna put a little bit of vegetable oil in here, and just generic vegetable oil so the pasta doesn't stick together, and a little bit of salt. I got this discounted gluten-free pasta from Big Lots, and I have just a tiny bit left over. See, this tiny bit left over. So I'm going to use up the rest of this pasta right here. And while it's boiling, I'm going to go ahead and wash the veggies. I'm going to toss the noodles, and then once this water starts boiling, a lot more. Okay, I think it's boiling enough. Toss in the pasta. And I got this because I got it at $2. So first I'm going to wash the parsley. I just picked from my backyard. It's cleaner than the wild mustard because I don't know what got on the mustard. Animals could have peed on it. I mean, I got mustard from a place where I don't think animals got peed on it, but this is from my porch, so I know nothing got on it. It smells so nice and fresh. Fresh parsley smells so wonderful. I'm done. I'm just gonna wash this end because the newer shoots are tender, and then I'm gonna need scissors. And the harder stalk is gonna be hard to bite into, so I'm not gonna eat the stalk parts. I'm just gonna eat the very tips, the tender parts that are actually edible. And then I'm actually going to reserve this water and use it to water my plants. Here you can see that I already cut the parsley. I'm going to put it in the... Oh wow, it's hard for you to see here. I'm going to just put it here with all the leftovers because I'm just going to go and stir fry them all together with the pasta. To cook the mustard. Cut off the flower heads. It's really fibrous. Okay, so I'm not sure about eating anything other than just the flower heads. That's not going to be chewable. Okay, I'm not going to be eating that. Too chewy. I think these are edible, so see these little things at the end? These little things sticking out? The stalk itself is too fibrous to be eaten, but I can rip off all of these little side pieces and eat that. So now we are going to cook the pasta. I'm just going to put them, I think I'll use a tiny bit of olive oil this time. Of course, if it's super, okay, yeah, so I first turn this on to high. I want this cast iron pan heating up fast. Just a little bit, because I'm gonna use the pasta water. Pasta's boiling still, but I can use the water. So. I'm actually gonna toss these in for the mustard greens in first because, oh, can you see them? It's hard to see because there are some really fibrous parts. I mean, I didn't get all of them out, so. Oh, the pan's not heavy. Okay. So after waiting for the pan to heat up, I would toss in all the greens. But because I was in a hurry, I tossed in the mustard ahead of time. But as you can see, it's still cooking fine. You're supposed to let the oil heat up and coat the entire, and spread all over the entire pan evenly before you toss in anything to stir fry or saute. Anyways, I'm just gonna wait for it to heat up enough, and since I'm mostly using leftovers with cooked pasta, I don't think I need it to be, I don't need the oil that evenly heated or stuff like that. All the leftovers with the parsley on top. I stir this together on high, and then I add a bit more salt. With pepper. To dump these seasonings in here. Since I let the pasta cook with the water and all the leftovers, it's absorbed the flavor of everything. And I am done.